Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so in arithmetic progression, we are going to learn the sum of n terms formula. Before watching this video, kindly watch our previous video on the basic concepts of arithmetic progression and general term of an arithmetic progression. Now, the sum Sn of n terms of an arithmetic progression with first term as a and common difference as d is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Another formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus n. Here this a denotes the first term, n denotes the n terms, d denotes the common difference. In the same way, n denotes the number of terms, a denotes the first term and this L denotes the last term. So, whenever last term is given in your sequence, in your arithmetic progression, you can apply this formula. Whenever there is no last term given means, then you can apply this formula. By using this formula, you can find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now, we can do some problems related to this concept. Now, in this problem, we are going to find the sum of 20 terms of this arithmetic progression. So, solution, we know that our formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, n denotes this 20. So, n equal to 20. A first term, d is common difference. First term of this arithmetic progression is 1. So, a is 1. Next common difference, 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. So, common difference is 3. Finally, we can substitute these values in the given formula. So, sum of 20 terms equal to 20 divided by 2, 2 into 1 plus 20 minus 1 into d. So, here 10, 2 plus 19 into 3. 19 into 3 will be 19 into 3, 27, 5, 57. So, 10, 2 plus 57. 57 plus 2, 59. So, 10 into 59 will give you 590. So, sum of 20 terms of this given arithmetic sequence is 590. Right. Now, we can do another problem. Here, if the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, then find the first n terms of the AP. So, by using either of these formulas, we can find the value. So, now I am applying the first formula here because here an value is given, that is nth term. I can take this nth term as my last term. So, I have L now. I need A. A means first term. So, in the place of this n, I can substitute A1. So, 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. This is what our A is. So, now I am having my A and L, that is first term and last term. I can apply these values in the formula. So, sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into A value is 3 plus last term is 2n plus 1, n by 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2n equal to n by 2. Here I can take 2 as common. So, 2n means here 2 plus n. 2 will be cancelled out. So, n equal to n into n plus 2. This is what a sum of n terms for this arithmetic progression. Right. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.